All right, YouTube community. I've learned a lot from a lot of people out there who have done work. So I'm going to share what I did with this project. So we're about to get carpet laid on these old hardwood floors. But we, of course, have a few places that have some dips and make some noise. So sometimes it seems like walking across a piano, walking across these old boards, because these boards are 120 years old. So, and you can see they've been painted, so they're not in good shape right now. So we're going to cover this floor with carpet this week. But in a few areas, what I tried, actually I've only tried it right here. So I just put down 1/4-inch plywood. I glued it down with wood glue, and then I obviously put in screws. Where possible, I tried to follow the beams that are below. And then sometimes I cared about that and sometimes I didn't. You know, if I had to kind of attack a noisy spot, then of course I just put screws wherever I needed to put them in. The screws I think are about 1 inch long. So the subfloor, what is now the subfloor, the original hardwood floor is 3/4 of an inch. And then this is 1/4 inch. So I used screws that were about 1 inch or 1 1/4. And I just glued it down, and it's really, I just did this yesterday. It's really done a great job of reducing the amount of noise that we have here. And then here, I just did a quick transition. These are just shims, foot-long shims that I used to kind of transition this zone back into the normal floor. But so far so good. I'll probably do more of it today.